So everything
Okay.
will be noted in the Excel file. And then so on daily basis. Okay. So what are the topics that we are going to discuss so today? So then we can so on daily basis, and I will mark it, and then so I will share you this Excel file and the recordings and the documents and the software, whatever related to get the job and
Okay.
to for your certification. Okay, if it is required, so I will give you some more documentation. This is enough. So whatever we had
Okay.
one document, which is 230 page document, so that is enough.
Uh-huh.
But
Yeah.
yeah, but if you want, so we'll search for more documents. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
No, Prasad, I have one doubt
Yeah.
regarding this certification. Again, like I just had an interaction with one of the employees,
Oh, okay.
but I mean, he's from Blue Prism. He's saying like automation anywhere certification is not there, even if it's there, it's so costly and all.
No, no,
So,
Blue Prism. It is a problem with the Blue Prism. So it's not problem with automation anywhere. So Blue Prism it has a problem because any institute so they are not able to get the licensing for the Blue Prism. That is the problem. So here Blue
okay.
Prism is not a open source. So only so
Okay.
any automation anywhere, and we have other open source like
UI.
UAE Path, and so we have so yesterday we discussed, right? So one more workforce this one, so workforce fusion. So in this, so
Uh,
Blue Prism, so you can't get any demo instance as well. So usually people used to
mhm.
say that we have the demo instance, but so you are not able to. So yeah, they used to try and based on the document only. They will show you the document. So okay, so so the same document I have this document. Okay, but today we want to go for introduction like that. So
Mm.
okay, because I forget names. I know some Agarwal or something. I don't know. Okay, maybe I forget the name. Anywhere automation. So otherwise we can go for automation, right? Anywhere automation. So Mihir, yeah, Mihir Shukla. So yeah, this guy,
Uh, okay.
Mihir Shukla.
Okay.
So he is an Indian and he invented that. So even if you go
Oh,
for the, I think Wikipedia, we can get it. I think. Yeah. So it is developed by Indian only.
oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, it's developed by Indian, and definitely you will get. So you will get. You will get all the things, and that's why it's a open source, and so anyone can use for any kind of industry. So it is not restricted to one industry. So once we go to some scripts, then you will know that how it will be implemented. So even you can implement for your personal purpose. Okay, you can implement for personal purpose means. So I want to send the mails. Okay, so I need to send. So at the end of the day, so okay, for example, okay, the person he is a insurance agent. Okay, he need to send around 1,000 mails to his customers. Okay, so he is maintaining 1,000 customers for the last 10 years like that. He need to send a mail. So then what happens is we have the facility to automate that one. So once you set up the email setting, once you do the email settings, so then so you can send, and you need to give the host name, yeah, email server host name, and then it will so automatically it will send for all.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh.
and yeah, so and also you can give the so if you want
So
to
what are
remind,
the login credentials and all?
sorry.
Uh, for mail we need login credentials and etc. Right?
Yeah, yeah,
Even that can be
yeah,
done.
yeah. Actually, that is so in the email settings you can do that. So we have the email setting in the email
Oh,
setting.
okay.
You can do that. So that's why I'm saying. So it's not for that. So okay, for example, so some programs. So okay, actually, what I can do is so some programs need to be done in this. Okay, so for example, so I want to open some files and then shut down. So you can do the automation. So then we have some kind of some commands. So you can do the automation for this. So everything
Okay,
will
can
be,
you just show
yeah,
me
everything will be automatic here.
just a sample? Uh,
Yeah, okay, so let me go for the edit. So this we are going to discuss the commands here. So in detail, each and every command, how it works. Okay. So here, okay, email automation. Okay. So here I can need to go to the this one. Okay. I can go for the email automation. So then you can use this email automation. Email automation.
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So if you want to shut down and this one, so what we can do is, okay, we have, so this is internet based and delays, and we have um, system. So, okay. So if you want to shut down and all these things, you can go for that. You can shut down. You can do that. So these are all
Oh,
the commands. We need to we will in the as a part of the training we will discuss all the commands, how it works, and how we can use. Okay. So once you are good enough with the commands, then you can create a task on your own, because here two things. So we need to create the task, so based on the web recorder, to the recorder, and then web recorder means system itself will create a task. Okay. So
okay.
and you can, so then so you can create on your own, because you can imagine that, okay, so I need to, so okay, so you need to go to the desktop, so then right click and then refresh, and then click on so you need to open one file in the desktop. So you can write that, you can write a task, so based on the commands. So we have the commands, different commands, right? So here, as a part of the training, you will know what is the use of each and every command. Okay. So once you know the uses of each and every command, so then definitely, so you can write a code, because here, so this is actually I ran one web recorder, and using that web recorder, so system itself, it has created a task. So it's a kind of a script with all the tasks. So then these are all the different tasks. Okay. So here,
Oh,
so
okay.
okay, so there is a mouse move, mouse click. So actually, I based on that. So system has created this task. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
but we can create. So actually, so every
Can
time
you
we,
once show me? Uh,
sorry.
can you once run this and
Yeah,
show
yeah,
me?
yeah, 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 yeah. So actually, so here, so don't worry. So we have the
Okay.
YouTube thing, right? So it's a part of the
Yeah.
planning only. Okay, so we'll go through that each and everything. Okay, so
Okay.
we have that all the tasks, right? So we will go through each and every task. Okay. So and
Okay.
here the thing is that, so we'll run one task, and then so we'll go through each and in detail. So today our objective is that, so I want to give, so introduction, already we discussed yesterday. So how,
Yeah.
what is the use of this one, all these things, and I want to go through AWS. AWS also will create, because here the two things. Okay, so the software. So the software, if you install in your system, what happens is it works 15 to, so it is a trial version. It works for
Yeah.
14 days to 1 month.
Okay.
14 days, or 2 weeks, or 1 month. So then after that, so there are some softwares. Okay, for example, GoToMeeting. This is the GoToMeeting that we are using. So you can
Okay.
install. So there is a free trial for 14 days. Okay. So once you install, and after 14 days, so you can't use this one. So then it will say that, so buy the software. So what we are doing for the last 8 years, what we are doing is, so we are just uninstall, and then creating with a new email account, and again installing, because it is allowing. But automation
Okay.
anywhere, it is not allowing. If you uninstall and again install, so then it will not allow you. You need to format the system, otherwise it will not. So
Oh,
yeah, so that's why. So the alternative way is, so anyhow you can use for the 14 days or 1 month as per the as per their policy. Otherwise, so in parallelly what we can do is, so you can go through AWS. Do you know about AWS? So can you brief
Uh,
as per your understanding?
no, I just know that it's an Amazon Web Services and Amazon would be providing servers to be used as a cloud. That
Okay.
is all I know.
Yeah. Good, good. Just 1 minute, please. I will be back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, Banu. So actually, hello.
No.
Okay, so here the AWS, what you are saying is correct. So AWS, it's Amazon Web Services. Okay, so here what happens is, so Amazon, yeah, as we know, Amazon is for retail portal, right? So
Yes.
and what happens is, so actually, so for the last for 5 to 6 years, we are able to see, but it's familiar in US, and it was started long back, and so they are maintaining, so they need servers, right, so for to maintain the data, so that their Amazon.com, which is the retail portal.
Yeah.
They have different items, and based on the huge data, so they are maintaining the servers, and so they depend on different IT companies to maintain the servers. So then IT companies, so they are providing service with huge, so with more price. Then Amazon observed that, so we can't bear this one. So then they maintain their own servers. So that the behind this Amazon Web Services, that was a story. So myself, I read it somewhere. So
Okay.
so then they started maintaining their own servers. Okay.
Oh,
So then after that, so they had recruited their own team, IT team. So because actually Amazon entered in the IT services, so for their requirement only. So it's not like that. So they want to develop a product and and they need to earn something in IT. So it's not like that because so
mm,
they need a requirement for their portal and it is very costly from the outside. So then they release that if they maintain their own, so then it will be cost effective. So then
yeah.
they recruited team, and after that they started. So then they need some kind of tools. So then they didn't depend on others. They had created their own tools. They had created their own tools. So that is the story behind the Amazon Web Services.
Okay.
After that, what happens is once they develop the tools, then after that, so they develop the cloud. This Amazon Web Service is a cloud kind of thing, and they maintain the servers. Already they maintain servers, right? And they have the space. Okay, so they are maintaining 100 servers. So 100 servers. Let's assume in that they are using just 30% of the space, and even remaining 70% of the space. So it is a vacant, and they think that so why it should be vacant because they don't have the that kind of data, and then they think that so let us lease it. It's a kind of a leasing the server. So then
Okay.
so then they started leasing server because in the so okay for even the small companies also. So for example, say a small company, so they is maintaining the server and they maintaining the database and maintaining the DBA. It's a cost effective. Okay. So I think so it will be so around the so they need to invest. Okay, for example in India, so a small company want to maintain servers. So then definitely it will be 1 lakh, 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs whatever. So then what happens is so then we will create account in the AWS, and then we will request for this server, and then once we get the server and we can install whatever software you need. So you can install and you can run it because just you need internet only. Okay. So then so it will be charged based on the usage. So that is also very good thing here in AWS based on the usage only. Okay. Today I use for 1 hour or 8 hours. So then once you use that one, then you can stop it. If you don't stop the server, so then the billing, so you will get the billing for 24 hours. Okay. So you need to stop the server. So once you stop, so okay, for example, for entire month, I use for 10 hours only. So then they will calculate based on the 10 hours. So then they will send the bill.
Okay.
Okay. So here and one more thing. So now they had given even in US and India across the world. So they had given 12 months free. 12 months free.
Okay.
Okay. So you can create an account, and they are just charging 2 rupees because you need to give some kind of you need to you need to pay through credit card or net banking the debit card. So it's just 2 rupees will be deducted, and you will get 12 months free server access.
Okay.
Okay, after that, so and also so they are giving 7 kind of a platforms, and so you can install that. You can install. So here, what we are going to do is, so we will create. I will explain you the process how to do that one. We will create one account. Okay, we will create one account, and here create a free account. Okay, so we will create an account here, and so it's just for 2 rupees charge only, and we can go to the Amazon's web server, and then so you can install your software. So whatever software it is, any if you want to install in MS Office, you can install. So any software you can install, even Oracle or SAP, any software. How do any kind of software you can install. You can install and you can run it. So you need to select the concerned Windows. Okay, so Microsoft Windows or whatever it may be. So then you can install and you can run it. And
Okay.
yeah, for example, so okay for me, so okay for a EBS consultant. Okay, so Oracle, if you want to install the Oracle EBS, R12, Oracle ERP, right, or SAP ERP. So for that,
Mm.
so you need minimum 500 GB hard disk and 4 to 8 GB RAM.
Okay.
Okay, 4 to 8 GB RAM. So in that case, what happens is, so my laptop, it will support, so I have just 200 GB hard disk and 2 GB RAM. So then, so I need to upgrade the laptop, so otherwise I need to purchase new laptop. And rather than that, what we can do is, you can go to the Amazon and then you can install in the server and you can use it.
Okay.
So no, yeah. So if you have 10 softwares, then you can install. No need to worry about the hard disk, or RAM, and yeah, so any kind of things. Okay, so they will maintain the server.
Okay.
Yeah, got it right.
Yeah, yeah. And if suppose I install automation anywhere here, even that will run for only 14
No,
days
no,
or
no, no,
like
no,
30
no,
days.
no, no. That is for 1 year. You will get it for 1 year.
Automation anywhere.
Yeah,
No.
yeah. So automation anywhere. If you install in AWS, if you are working, so then
Mm.
so it is free for yeah, yeah, 1 year. Okay, so it's not a problem because so they have the understanding between Amazon to automation anywhere. So they have the agreement like that.
Then no problem.
Yeah, there is no problem for that. If you do in, so even they are allowing in our system, but it's a trial version, right? Trial version, usually trial version means it is a 14 days or 1 month, maximum 1 month
Yeah.
only. But others,
Yes.
for other softwares, so they don't have any kind of a security. Okay, here they put more security because that means that even though you are uninstalled, but it will, so that it will catch the IP address. So based on the IP address only, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
if you uninstall and reinstall, so it will catch the IP address. The software itself will catch the IP address.
Okay.
Okay. So this one. So actually we have. So actually we had installed that one. So let me show you that. So just
Sure, sure.
I'm just logging in.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I just log in the just log in. Okay, I will show you the process and everything. Okay, so it will take. It is a lengthy
Okay.
process only. It is a lengthy process. So I will
Okay.
show you. So I will go for the dummy account and I will show you everything. So here what happens is
Okay.
this is the account. So now you need to go for sign into the console. So just you need to, once you create your
Okay.
own account, go to the sign into console, and you need to go for the EC2. This is the EC2. So here you can see that so many tools are there. So and one more thing, so Oracle is it's a big company, right? So actually so
Yes, yes.
Oracle SQL and database, and it's in ERP, and so they have, so if you go to oracle.com, so it has acquired so many companies. It has acquired so many companies, and PeopleSoft and Siebel CRM, so many companies. So it has acquired, and JD Edwards, it has acquired so many companies. Java is Oracle company. But
Yes, yes.
so, and even though Amazon is a retail company, so most of the companies, all the companies, once they started AWS, and once they come into cloud, this is a kind of a cloud environment, and all the companies, Google, all the companies, they fear of, so they are afraid of this now AWS, and they started their own product. So then Google started the Google Cloud, and this one Oracle, they started Oracle Cloud product. So nowadays in the market you can see that Oracle Fusion Cloud. So earlier it was not
Yes.
there. So earlier it was
Uh,
EBS product. So maybe as a HR you will also know that EBS R12,
yeah.
EBS 11i. So those are the projects only. So now, so we don't have the EBS R12 projects now, and so it will, yeah, so in future and currently and in future, so you will get cloud projects only, Fusion cloud projects only, because the client, so the cost will be reduced 80% if you go for the cloud software.
Okay.
So ultimately the customer or client will be benefited, because earlier what happens is, so before Geo come into picture, what happens? So even if you use, so if you send a mail beyond your limit, then they used to charge 50 rupees, 100 rupees like that, right?
Yes.
Even if you use 10 minutes, okay, if you use 10 minutes extra net, then what happens is they used to charge 100, 150. So now once Geo come into picture, everything changed. So you can see for the last 6 months so what is happening for all the so communication, okay, so all the vendors, communication vendors, okay, so they changed everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because Jio is providing, yeah, calls and net everything within 300 rupees. Okay, so then, earlier Oracle, this Airtel, they played like that. So they had taken 200,000 rupees as well. So if you say, if the limit is, if you, even though if you're not in that plan like that, so you know, right? So how it happened. The
Yes,
same
yes, yes.
the same thing was happened here as well, because even Oracle has charged too much here. So and so yeah, so for their product EBS. Now, so people are not ready. So people are going for other software. There are so many softwares coming up, and then so they started. So they had invested $300 billion for the Oracle Cloud, Fusion Cloud. So
Oh,
yeah, okay. So just so we have these softwares, okay, compute, develop tools, Internet of Things. Yeah, you know, right? IoT, Internet of Things. So
okay.
it's a new technology. IoT, big data. You have the application migration analytics, data analytics. Okay, so you have the big data, everything. So most of the new technologies are here only. Okay, so let us go to the EC2. EC2. Okay, so then you need to go for the running instance. So I will explain you. So okay, here you can see that. You can see that. So I had installed two. Okay. I had installed two.
Yeah.
Okay, so then what we can do is, so then I need to, start. Okay, instance state. Sorry, you can go for the software and then, okay, wait, yeah, start. You can start it. You can start
Mm.
and you can stop, because now it is in stop position. It is stopped. Because why it is stopped?
Yeah.
Because okay, because it is free, you can use. You can, not a problem. But if you are getting the service, so if it is a billable, then what happens? You need to use for 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, then stop it. So then you can't. It will not be. You can't get a bill for that. Okay. So then once, if you want, you can terminate. Okay. So these are the things. Okay.
Okay.
So I will let you know. So then what we can do is we can start and then we can use the software. So what
Okay.
happens is it will go to remote desktop. So even in our system we have the remote desktop. So then what happens is if you go to remote, it's a kind of a remote desktop only. Okay, so let me show you. So in my so yeah, see, even in our system also, all the system they have the remote desktop,
Yeah.
the remote desktop connection. So it's a kind of a remote desktop. You can go to a remote desktop, so you can go to the connect, and then you need to give the login credentials, and they can log in. So you need to give the login credentials, and you can give it. So in the same
Okay.
way here also. So once you start and once you connect, and it will go to the remote desktop. It will go to the Amazon server, and you can connect to Amazon servers. So it's a kind of a different desktop version. It is a different server, and you can install any kind of a software, and you can do that. You have the internet in that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So what we can do is I will explain you the process how it works like that. Okay. I will explain you. Okay. So now let me create one task. So simple task. Okay, and we will discuss on this.
Okay.
So like this, what we can do is every day. So we'll take some topics and then we will discuss. Okay, so it's a kind of a planning, and we can have the it's a kind of a monitoring. We can have the monitoring, and
Okay.
then we can have the idea. So what is completed, what is next, like that. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah,
And also, this video is recorded, right?
yeah.
And
I'm
even
yeah, yeah,
recorded,
yeah.
even voice is recorded, right?
Yeah, everything. So actually, so I will today what I will do is, so I'm going to create a folder in Google Drive, and I'm uploading yesterday demo and today's recording, both the things, and you can check it. Okay, you can check it. So
Okay.
yeah, I have
And
your link here.
also training schedule because I don't have this training agenda or schedule.
Yeah. We have this one, right? So I will send you. So I will upload that one as well. So you are saying
Okay.
about that content, right? So I will upload. So okay, by 11 o'clock, so you will get these three. Two, you will get the two recordings, and you will get that training content. So because we already prepared, so it is in Excel file. So this one,
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, this is the content.
Okay.
Actually, I
Okay.
prepared in a Word document. Okay, so you can see that.
Okay.
So this one, the content.
Okay.
Okay, the course
Okay.
content.
Okay.
So you will get it. The course content, everything. I will upload
Okay.
all these things. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
So okay. So let me go to the application. Okay. So
Do you work on Oracle or automation anywhere?
yeah, I'm working for automation environment earlier. So actually, I have 12 years of experience. So in that,
Okay.
so I started my career in Oracle. So then I moved to the automation anywhere. For the last 2 years, I'm working in this area.
Okay.
But we need to have the knowledge, right? We need to update because
Yes.
nowadays what happens
Yes.
is, so earlier, so in even on Oracle apps also. So I joined in 2005. So that time, if you know, say any two or one or two modules, that is enough. So then what happens is you need to know at least 5 to 6, 10 modules, like that. So now currently, if you need to know at least one or two technologies, minimum two technologies, so then only you can survive. That,
Yes. Yes.
that is the thing. Okay, now you are learning this one. Okay, so automation anywhere. In future, you can start learning any kind of new software. So for you, I can suggest so Fusion HCM. So in future, you can starting
Okay.
yeah, Fusion HCM. So Oracle Fusion HCM, which is a very good one because anyhow you are working as a HR, right? So it will help you. So why I'm saying is, so now the everything is changing, the world is changing, everything is changing, and so you will not find, so you know better than me as a HR, because in future you will not find any permanent job, because everything should be contract only, because companies are not ready to bear bench, and also companies are not getting the projects. It's very hard for them to get the project, because so client no earlier the client don't have the knowledge on the application and IT. So now client has very much knowledge compared to the consulting companies. If a person go to the consulting company or any salesperson, if you earlier what happens, whatever they are saying, whatever they are presenting any PPT, so oh, hey, it's very good, and they agree that. Now they are not agreeing. If the client, say salesperson, if we start playing a PPT, and if we start doing at the end, so client is coming up with a new PPT. Hey, do you have these features? So I think these are the new technologies. You don't have these technologies. Please come up with the new technology. So that is the thing happening nowadays. So
Okay.
client has much more knowledge than consulting companies, because
Hmm.
they are recruiting the consulting people, more knowledge people, and also from client side also they have some IT team, and they are so and So they are not ready to pay much more billing, and that's why so companies are it's very hard to get the new projects, and even though they get the new projects, it's very get hard. It is very hard to get the much more revenue because they will get the revenue, but it's not like that. And yeah, so in that case, what happens is so here in the especially in the IT companies, so the employee salary. So not only IT companies, so even go if you go for any kind of service industry, the main thing is what are the main costing areas, costing areas. One is the first one is rent, because without that we can't start business, right? The second one is employee salary.
Employee.
So anything.
Yeah,
If you
employees.
if you take IT industry, and third one is equipment. So these three are the main thing only. So equipment means so okay, in IT you need to have the say some servers or some laptops, a desktop, that one. And if you go for the education industry, they're also the same thing. So you need to rent and salary. If you go for the
Yeah.
healthcare, rent and salary and equipment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why the scenario is changing. So nowadays, if we want to survive, so we need to have knowledge on new technologies, at least one or two. Minimum two. If you have the knowledge on two technologies, so so because these are not the coding. So if you go for this robotic automation, or if you go for any HCM, Oracle HCM, so these are not coding. So you can learn without programming, and then no worries, because okay, if there is no project for this RPA, then you can move to the other one, because so there is no need to be worry and no need to be the bench, and then you can keep on moving. So if okay, so in my current company, RPA implementation is done. So then what happens is, so they will check for 1 month. The company will check for 1 month. After that, they definitely as a HR you will ask, right? So you will ask,
Yes.
yeah. So that the next process is that one only, okay? Because earlier what happens is you will wait for 2 months, 3 months bench and for getting the projects. Now yeah, so the companies are not waiting for that. So there is earlier it was 5%, 10% or something percentage will be there for the bench period. Now there is no concept of bench. So and
Okay.
Banu, so whatever I'm saying is correct or not? So because so I have some friends in the HR as well, and I'm also working for last 12 years in the IT industry, right? So I'm just
Yeah.
observing the things what is going on. Am I correct? So
Yeah, it's true. That is happening actually.
yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, okay. So let us run one task and let us go through. Okay, I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to start. Okay, here, so this is the application. Okay, so this is the application. Okay, so you can record whatever you are doing. You can record. Once you record, you can run. So once the task is created, you can edit it. You can edit. Okay, so these are all the main tools. Okay, so you can go to the new, and then you can take the recording, and then you can run it and you can edit it. So let me take one new task. Let me create a new task. Okay, just click on new. Okay, so here record, web recorder, object recorder, these are the different options. So okay, I'm just this is the easy option. So let us go to the easy option, and advanced options we can go through later. Okay, so let me go to record option. Just click on record. Okay, okay, fine. So now I am just giving the right click, show desktop. Then right click, refresh. I'm just clicking RPA, and then I'm just clicking documents, and just I'm opening anywhere automation. Fine. Okay. So then it is recorded. Everything is recorded here. So now stop it. So once you
Okay.
stop it, then it will ask a task name. So I'm taking task 3 or task 2.
Okay.
Save it. Okay. This is my task. Okay.
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 Mm.
So in this task, so okay, so just I want to repeat the same. I want to run. then what we can do is just click on run. If you want to edit, so we can edit it. So we can edit it. So we can do the later. So just click on
Mm-hmm.
run. Yeah. So now it is starting. So yeah, you are observing, right?
Yes.
Whatever I did, so it is taking everything. Yeah. Then
Yeah.
yeah. What do you know about this? So here you can see that, okay, the task file do not repeat completed. It is it is not completed, then it will fail. So then once it is failed, so then we need to check where it is failed. So in which line it is failed in the script. We need to go to the script and we need to check the script. Okay, so where it is, so where the error is, and we need to go for the error handling. Okay, so now, so tell me what you observed in this. Hey.
It's automatically picking up everything, and code is written in the back end, I think.
Okay.
Uh, and it can we can do it multiple times.
Yeah. So whatever I did, so so is it the same only? So did you observe any kind of difference?
No, it's the same.
Same only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the thing. Okay. So I know some people. So actually I worked for the Genpact. So so it's a BPO company, right? So I know some friends. So they used to say that, hey, so my job is just tab and enter, tab and enter. Okay,
Mm.
so just they need to go for tab and go to the application, tab and enter. So maybe, so once you tab and enter, maybe one invoice will be created or one order will be created. That's every day. So go to the office and go give tab and enter, tab and enter. Do we need a person for that? So earlier we needed a person, tab and enter. So I need to go for tab and enter, tab and enter. So then, so he will do that. So then once so sometimes he will fed up with the job, and so then if there is a pain, so if he has any pain, and then so he will go for a break, and then he will come back after 1 hour, 2 hours. So that's happening. Okay. So now, so are you able to automate the tab and enter now?
Yes.
We can automate, right?
Yes.
We can run, we can create one script, and then we can create a task based on the script, and then so then you can give the tab and enter. So it will run. So because it is system, so it will work in the weekend and it will work for 24 hours. So then no need for 8 hour job. In the 8 hour job, what happens is, so the employee can work for 4 hours or 5 hours max or 6 hours, right? So this system can,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
system can work for that. So because if you, so you have, so okay, so in you have 5 people, okay, out of the 100 people, there are 5 people for these kind of things. So for tab and enter. So then what happens is the system will do for 5 people job. The system will do for 24 hours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then what happens is, so you can then 4 people the job, they will lose the job. So that
Lose.
that that is happening nowadays. So what
Mm.
happens is, so after 1 year, so you will not find BPO jobs. So 50% BPO jobs will be reduced. And if they want to continue, if they want to sustain in the same field, so they must and should move to the RPA.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they must and should. So earlier we used to call this kind of activity as a quality. Maybe you hear the names lean, okay,
Yeah.
lean concept, okay, then
Yeah.
green belt, black belt, okay.
Uh,
Maybe you hear
yes. Yes.
all the quality. So earlier what
Uh-huh.
happens is, if you do any kind of a automation, okay, so okay, if you change the process, okay, so now my process is this one lengthy, it is taking 1 hour. If you change the process, then if you take it for 30 minutes or for 40 minutes, then you find you will be you will be honored, and then okay, so this is kind of a lean activity. Okay,
Yeah.
and you will get some kind of a you will get some kind of a thing from okay. So, okay, just sorry for 1 minute. I got a call.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, sorry, uh, Banu. Yeah, okay. So let us go ahead.
Not a problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Yeah. So that is the thing happening. Okay. So so if you have any BPO friends, okay, please inform them. Okay, because they know that because the people know that. So how it is changing, but some people are there, right? So they don't. They are very innocent. So they used to just go to the office and do the work and come back. They don't think about other things. Okay, so
Yeah.
they will know. So when the problem come in. Okay.
Mm.
So that is thing. So you observe, right? So whatever we are doing, so it will happen, right? So you can do that. So it's not
Ye-
for that. So if you go, it's just a simple task. We so I have so we just I had given you. So I show you. But once you go to the commands, okay, we have the different commands. So many commands. So you need to understand. That is the main thing. So you need to understand. Each and every command. Once you are good in that command, so then you can write your own script, your own task and your own script, and then you can run it. So that is the main thing. Okay. So companies
mm.
expect that one only, not this one. This one, anyone can do that. So even any 10th class person can go to just they can record, run, and then they can show everything, and then they can close that one. But it's not expectation. So they're expecting. So you need to understand the command, and you need to create the script on your own, and you need to create the task. Okay, you need to imagine. Okay, so first what I need to do,
Mm.
I need to go to. So now what I need to do, so I so just here I just click on right click and show desktop, and you need to write a command so on your own, and then right click refresh and click on.
Mm.
So click on the folder and then select the folder name, and everything you need to write on your own. You need to imagine and write it. So then run the script, and then it will work as it is what you are doing in the same way. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, so okay, so we'll discuss, and here also. So if we go for edit, so okay, I want to see the script. Okay, so here it is a task only.
Mm.
So the task is
Mm.
a group of scripts. Okay, group of commands and scripts. Okay, so then I want to see the script here. Okay, click on edit. Okay, you can see that.
Yeah.
You can see that. Okay, so what I did, mouse move, mouse click, mouse move, mouse click. Only these two only, right?
Mm.
So here you can see that.
Yeah.
So you can go to the view or categories. So I want to categorize, and so if you go to view all, so these are all the different commands. You need to know each and every command. So you can see it is categorized. So here keystrokes and mouse. So here what you use, we use these two only. So okay.
Mm. Yes.
So
Okay.
insert mouse click, insert mouse move.
Okay.
Okay, these two only, right? These two only. So here,
Yes.
so you
Yes.
have the options. Okay, if I want, I can move. You can move from right to left, left to right. You can move that. You can move that. Yeah. So here, see, you are able to see the refresh and everything. So you can do that. Right to left, left to right. Okay, you can move that.
Okay.
Yeah. You have that option. You can move that. Okay, so while writing the script, okay, I had write a, I had so I had developed a script. Okay, script with all these different tasks. Okay, then what happens is
Mm.
at the end I observe that, oh, now is 20, 19 should not be here. You should be here. So then move it. Okay. So they
Okay,
had given this, yeah, yeah, they had given this. This is user friendly only. So they had given the option.
okay,
Okay. So the image, so everything is image. Okay. Actually, the software they started in 2003. Okay. So then it came into market and 1 or 2 years back. But currently,
okay.
so even though it came into market 2 years back, so now only most of the companies are started using.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah. So now you got something, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So what we can do is tomorrow. So we'll explain the. So just we created a task. Okay. Tomorrow we'll explain these things. Okay. We'll go to each and everything. So because I will explain you each and everything. So will you once you go to this one? Okay. I am not saving it because it is
Yeah.
moved it, right. So I am not saving it.
Mm.
So okay. So we'll explain. So what are the properties? So all the properties will go for a property schedule and trigger, and we'll go through each and
Okay.
everything. So it's a part of our training content. Okay. So we'll explain
Okay.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So like
Got
this every day what happens is we will go through all these topics, and I will share you the software, and then so then you need to practice because every day. So
Yes.
so we have 1 hour class, and if you practice 2 hours, that is enough. So if you practice is more than 1 hour, that is very good. 2 years, 2 hours is fine. So it's not no need of more than that. Okay.
Mm.
And
Okay.
I will also explain you. So so there is some little bit coding if it's not required, but I will
Mm.
explain you a little bit coding. So then it
Okay.
will be useful for the interviews and everything. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Okay. So actually, so let me update that. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Thanks, Banu. So let us meet tomorrow. Okay.